So I just got back from a run, so let's go over the trade. I mean, it's a win. I just traded the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. The daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly are all bullish. So boom. And the thing from the strat I don't really like these number patterns yet. However, this is a 3-2-2 reversal or whatever. I mean, I see it now, but it's a 2-2-2 reversal. I just seen it at a fair value gap and this long wick. I'll take a trade off a wick, honestly. But the broadening formations, I love. So far from the strat, I love the broadening formations. Love, 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 love. So I got in here at 10 o'clock. With the regular futures trade, it does hit. Does it hit 200 ticks? It's still not even at 200 ticks. So see, my 200, 120, 200. It's on the 4-hour chart, which is crazy. It's not that much volume, but we'd still be in this trade. Obviously, this is a new candle. The target is this high here, which I think actually should be here. Am I tripping? Yeah, it should be here. That's what the target would be. Okay, cool. I had it this high, but so we'll see how this next 4-hour candle goes. Thinkorswim played in my face. I bought a call for 690, which is the top of the broadening range. 6090, and then I wanted just a $70 call. I don't remember what number it was. It's probably somewhere up here though. For a day trade, and it didn't fill for me. It didn't fill at all. I kept going to working, and it never filled. So, but the weekly one for May 30th is up 70%. See, this is the one I wanted. I wanted May 26th, 5935 call. So I wanted. And it wouldn't fill, but this one filled, and it's up. As a future trader, I don't give a shit until it hits 100%. Because 100% is 1-to-1. When people show options gains, it's like 60%, 70%. Like, I don't, like, why? I don't want to risk. But some people don't care. Some people don't care about RRs. I've noticed that in futures. Some people do negative RRs. I've had negative RRs in futures before. Some people don't care about. The whole point of options is to get those flips. So I'm not doing 100%. So I will be trading on Robinhood because Thinkorswim is messing up. I'm gonna try Thinkorswim again tomorrow for paper, and if not, I'm just gonna have to do like this. But with options, like I can't see how much money I would make. I can't say, oh, this is a 1-to-3 or 300%, 400%, 500%. I cannot say because the theta and the time and all that is factored into it. So it is moving straight up, but it is like a choppy straight up. So the time decay could be going crazy against us, but it did wind up being a nice trade, and yeah. I enjoy it. The 4-hour. I've seen like the 4-hour candle. Even here, like say here, this would have sucked, but we could have gotten a short here. It would have went up. You could have closed, or if you were confident in us going lower, you just held it and it wound up playing out. And this is again the 2-hour, the 2 to 6 candle is this next one. So we still have 4 hours in this candle left. So that's why I'm like, it can still go up here. And I can't, I have nothing to show for it for the day trade, honestly, which is annoying, but at least I'm right in the bias. That's the main part of the strategy, and then we can work out our contracts when we start, trading them. But I like this. I kind of want to put that 470 I took out of my internet trader in my Robinhood, so I can take like $70 contract instead of 20, because I feel like the sweet spot is like the 90, 70, 80, which I was already risking 100 in a trade, but I was also trying to risk less. That was the whole point of going to options. But we'll see. Maybe it's still putting $100 in there at a time, and then taking an $80 contract or whatever, or trade, and then just seeing how it goes. If it goes up 100% or 200%, just like selling it there. But I meant to put another screenshot. Let me put another screenshot in the note, because there is a girl on TikTok, on another Twitter girly, who posted on Instagram, and she took a call on SPY. And she got 300%, but she got it at 9, because if you don't know XPX, you can trade before 9:30, you can trade after 4 o'clock. So she got 360%, so I hope, I don't know if it's in the money, but what was her, oh, 5,920. Oh, so she's still holding it. She's definitely in the money. So that's what I'm saying. So if you can buy something out of the money that can go in the money, that's great. But like I said, she paid $180, which I don't want to pay. So, so it's definitely probably $1,000 plus by now. This is at 940, and she might have gotten out at 940 because it says 940 here. Learn this in 3 months. I'm getting better. Waking up. Wait, now making. So, and she had 5 contracts. So, like 100%. See it like that. She put up 1,000 to make 1,000. Like I don't need that at all. So, but she sold 4, I guess, and left a runner. That's what it looks like. Which fair, you know. Some people don't care. So I think we'll see. This so far is going down, but it should end up here, and we'll just see how it goes. And then, yeah, it'd been nice to have bought, but we were right here. Mine was 935, wasn't it? Isn't that what it said? We just looked at this. Yeah, 935 for this one was like $50. So 935 for $50, we would have been in the money. That would have been a huge flip, actually. So I can't even believe I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice that when I recorded my TikTok video. But yeah, this would have been a nice flip, actually. So yes. Yes. That's how you calculate it. So yeah, it would have been a nice one, actually. And that's why you look at the contracts. And that's why we trade SPX. Cool. Great. So I will see y'all tomorrow.